filming.
Yeah, so backhoe tires, very stiff rubber, hard to mount, hard to dismount, hard to deal with, and I'm getting older, I'm tired, and I don't want to fight with it. So, Connor came up with this crazy idea.
Yeah.
If you happen to have a porta power kicking around, it actually works. You can stretch it on with it. Just jack it out a little bit, give it a shove, and then work it down on a little bit. It's a lot easier than just trying to hammer it on. That's for sure. Of course, you might still have to hammer a little bit.
Yeah, but it got a lot of work done for us already.
Yeah, we already got a long ways with it.
So let me
So we
relieve
just
it.
have to reset it a
and
couple
reset it.
times. Okay, Con, jack her out.
Good?
Yep.
Okay.
A lot easier with two people, but I think one guy could do it.
Sure.
Yeah. Take it, Con. Take it out a little more.
Yep, I'm doing it slowly as you push it.
Perfect. All right, new bite.
There you go. You just make that 1 inch gain every time.
Yeah, you just got to be patient. Take her out.
Good?
Yep. Now, some tire guys might have a better way, but
Yeah.
I don't know what it is. Well, the best way is to hire a tire guy.
That's definitely the...
Kind of like the windshield thing. Always hire the windshield guy. They really know what they're doing. But
There we go, not a bite.
for a couple amateur tire guys, I think we're doing okay. Good. Jack her out.
Quite a bit that time, huh?
Yeah. Yep.
Make sure you don't.
And we're
hit
not
the
hurting
rim.
anything. We're not, I mean, it's not great on the paint. If you're
Well,
worried
you could-
about the paint
you
on
could
your
put
rim.
a board in there to protect it.
Right, you need something to protect it.
Kind of don't care too much with this backhoe.
Well, I kind of do.
Oh, it's beyond worrying about the paint.
Well, just because it's an 87 with 9,000 hours on it. You almost got the whole thing. One more bite, Con.
Okay.
Let's not be greedy. I don't want to break the cords.
Yeah.
Okay, take her on out. That's it, buddy. A little more. Bingo! Bango!